With festive season right around the corner, it's that time of the year when manufacturers are not just launching new models, they're also updating existing ones. And Tata Motors is launching an all-new Camo Edition of its highly successful compact SUV, the Nexon. And for the matter, this is not the first time we are seeing Tata Motors launch a Camo Edition, but what makes this one interesting is the fact that it also gets a lot of stuff and new feature additions inside, besides this very good-looking paint job. The Nexon Camo Edition is on offer exclusively in two colors, Munnar Mist and Cool Cloud, both of which are color options borrowed from the Tata Sierra. While we've always liked the Munnar Mist option on the Sierra, as it can shift from a dark shade of green to a very appealing looking grey depending on the lighting, Cool Cloud is an interesting looking shade of silver. However, unlike most other special editions that you see, the Nexon Camo gets no other updates visually, which means it looks exactly the same as the standard Nexon, and the only way to tell it apart is the camo badging. That said, this Camo Edition will have a limited run and is available only during the ongoing festive season. Tata Motors has focused extensively on equipping the Nexon Camo Edition with additional features, and part of that attempt is this new 12.3-inch infotainment screen, which is the largest for the Nexon yet, and you also get a new 10.25-inch driver display here, and interestingly both screens are by Harman. And of course, one more thing to note about the driver display here is the fact that it even integrates a widescreen format for viewing navigation now. The Camo Edition is the only Nexon to get the larger infotainment screen, borrowed from the Harrier and Safari, and helps the compact SUV feel more premium. You also get camo-themed perforations on the front headrest, but besides these changes, the cabin looks identical to that of the standard Nexon. You also get a Dashcam recorder that's integrated with the car's 360-degree view system, and that means the Nexon Camo Edition is recording everything around it using all four cameras outside all the time. And this will particularly help in the event of an incident and impact. So whenever there's an impact that's detected by the car, that video recording gets saved separately on the car itself. And of course, you can access and view all videos directly on the infotainment screen here, or transfer them to your smartphone very easy, which certainly adds to convenience. You also get Level 1 ADAS, which includes 7 different functions in the Nexon Camo Edition, and this includes stuff like forward collision warning, autonomous emergency braking, lane departure alert, and a lot more. That's not all on the features front though, because the Nexon Camo also comes with a panoramic sunroof, a 9-speaker JBL audio system, premium leatherette upholstery all round, ventilated front seats, rear sunshades, and more. There are no changes under the hood, and that means you can have the Camo Edition with the same 1.2-litre turbocharged petrol engine that offers 120 PS along with 170 Newton meters, or you could go in for the diesel version that offers 115 PS and 260 Newton meters. Of course, there's a CNG version as well, which uses the underbody CNG tanks just like the regular Nexon, and it is mated to the 1.2-litre turbocharged petrol engine that offers 100 PS and 170 newtons in this, guys. And that also makes the Nexon the only compact SUV where a CNG kit is mated to a turbocharged petrol engine. It's 9 years now since Tata Motors had launched the Nexon originally, and consistent updates along with limited edition versions like the Camo here are what have helped Tata Motors ensure that the Nexon stays relevant. Now, prices for this new Camo Edition start from 9.99 lakh rupees ex-showroom, but of course, the bigger highlight is the fact that it gets a lot of features, and in fact, this is the most feature-rich version of the Nexon yet, and this is something that should certainly help in attracting more buyers.